Hey, Cyber-Theo here. Classical music has produced some of the most influential and timeless composers in history. Let's explore the 3 best classical composers who have made a lasting impact on music. Ludwig van Beethoven. Why he's great. Beethoven bridged the classical and romantic eras, revolutionizing symphonic and chamber music with his innovative compositions. Famous works: Symphony No. 9, Ode to Joy; Symphony No. 5, Moonlight Sonata. Impact: his works are celebrated for their emotional depth, complexity, and technical mastery, influencing countless musicians and composers. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Why he's great. Mozart was a prodigious talent whose works embody the classical style's elegance, balance, and precision. Famous works: The Magic Flute, Symphony No. 40, Ein Klein Musik. Impact: with over 600 compositions, his music remains a staple in the repertoire of classical musicians and continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Johann Sebastian Bach. Why he's great. Bach's intricate compositions and mastery of counterpoint have made him one of the most revered composers in Western music history. Famous works: the Brandenburg Concertos, the Well-Tempered Clavier, Mass in B minor. Impact: his works are foundational in the study of classical music, influencing a wide range of musical styles and practices. These composers have left an indelible mark on the world of classical music, and their masterpieces continue to inspire and move listeners today. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.